Talk to me about what exactly it means to have a variant product and variant product pricing.
Well, let's say you have an e-commerce site. It doesn't matter if it's on BigCommerce, Volusion, Shopify. They almost all treat options of products the same way. So let's say I sell this jacket, right? Let's say I have 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. And let's just, for the sake of the argument, say the small one is $100, the medium is $120, and the larger one is $150. What happens is, in the structure of these e-commerce platforms, you have only one page for that product, right? So as I select the options, what needs to happen is the price needs to dynamically change, and your URL needs to reflect that dynamically changed price. Because if that's not the setup, when you submit your product feed to Google, Google is going to look at your product page and say this product is $100. However, when I go to your site, I see 2 other pricing, and it's going to automatically reject your data feed. And a lot of people are having this problem right now.